Classroom management, solving all the problems using the logical argumentation. Problem 1, Mrs. Johnson is a 5th grade teacher who has been teaching for over 10 years. This year she has a student named Alex who frequently displays aggressive behavior. Alex often interrupts lessons, talks back to the teachers, and sometimes even becomes physically aggressive towards his classmates. Mrs. Johnson has tried various strategies to manage Alex's behavior, as setting clear rules and consequences, positive reinforcement for good behavior, and speaking with Alex privately to understand the root of this aggressive. However, despite his efforts, Alex's behavior has not improved significantly. Question: what classroom management techniques can Ms. Johnson's implement to address Alex's aggressive behavior? Provide at least 3 specific strategies and explain how each could help improve the situation. Helping Alex with aggressive behavior. Understand why Alex is acting out. Mrs. Johansson could keep a behavior log track when and where Alex's aggressive behavior occurs. She might notice that Alex becomes aggressive during much class, possibly indicating a frustration with the subject. Make a plan for Alex's behavior. For example, Ms. Johnson could create behavior chart for Alex. Every time Alex follows the classroom rules without aggressions, he earns a sticker. After earning a certain number of stickers, Alex gets a reward like extra recess time or a small toy. Teach Alex social skills. For example, Mrs. Johnson could use a program like Second Step, which offers lessons and activities that help students develop social and emotional skills through role playing and discussions. Alex can learn better way to handle his anger and interact with classmates. There is a problem too. Mr. Smith is a 7th grade maths teacher who has noticed that several students in his class frequently engage in off-task behavior during lessons. The students often daydream that with classmates or use their phone instead of focusing on their work. Despite Mr. Smith's attempts to redirect their attention and provide engaging activities, the problem persists. This off-task behavior is disrupting this learning environment and affecting the overall performance of the class. Question: what strategies can Mr. Smith use to increase on-task behavior, decrease off-task behavior? Provide at least 3. Keeping Mr. Smith's students on task. First, make lessons fun and engaging. For example, Mr. Smith could use group project where students solve real-world math problems. This way, students are actively involved and interested in what they are learning. Second, use technology monitor behavior. For example, Mr. Smith could use ClassDojo, a classroom managed app. ClassDojo allows teachers to give student points for positive behavior like staying on task. Students can see their progress and Mr. Smith share updates with parents. There is 3, set clear rules and routines. For example, Mr. Smith could establish a routine where the first 5 minutes of class are always for previewing the day's objectives, followed by a brief activity to get everyone focused. He could pass the daily schedule on the board to students show that to expect. There is a problem 3 for Mrs. Brown. For the Miss Brown is an 8th grade English teacher who is facing a challenge with a student named Jack. Jack frequently exhibits disruptive behavior in class, such as talking out after making inappropriate comments and distracting other students. Despite Miss Brown's attempts to manage the behavior through verbal warnings and setting change, Jack's behavior has not improved. The disruptive behavior is affecting the learning environment and making it difficult for other students to concentrate on their work. Question: what specific strategies can Ms. Brown implement to manage Jack's disruptive behavior? Provide at least 3 strategies and explain how each one could help others to use it. Managing Jack's disruptive behavior. For the first, reward good behavior. So it's also the same methods with Mr. Smith has. Miss Brown could implement a reward system where Jack earns points for positive behavior, more or less same. Okay. After earning a certain number of points, Jack would choose a reward such as extra computer time or a small prize. And then there is a check-in with Jack regularly. Miss Brown could set up a system where Jack checks in with the school's counselor at the beginning and end each day. During these checks-in, they could discuss Jack's behavior goals and his progress towards meeting them. There is the last but not least for the use restoration practice. Example, if Jack interrupts the class, Miss Brown could facilitates a restorative circle where Jack and his classmates talk about what happened and how it's affected everyone. This could help Jack understand the impact of his behavior and work on repairing relationship. Thank you.